Alright, YouTube. I am vacuuming with the Sentria up here today with its floor pad on. But before we get to the vacuuming, I have some news. I am getting a new vacuum August 14th. It's a Kirby Classic 3 with a Kirby Tradition handle top, imagine this as being an older Kirby handle, it has the main part and then this whole handle top right here. It's a Kirby Tradition handle top, and it has it's coming with two power nozzles, and it looks like it has an F&G bag set up on it. So yeah, but August 14th, I'm getting it. So that's pretty exciting. So it's pretty nice because I'm finally getting my hands on an older Kirby. In fact, somebody was just talking about me getting my hands on some older stuff. Like a Kirby Classic 3 or something like that, like older Kirby stuff. So, well, there you go, August 14th. That's like a month and a half away, I think, from now, but yeah, it's pretty amazing. Or maybe 2 months worth from right now, because we're still like on the last week of June. But yeah, here we go. So yeah, I believe my aunt, one of my aunts, found a Kirby Classic 3 at a yard sale, and then she just thought of me and asked my dad, "Well, do you guys want this?" And my dad knew I couldn't say no to that, so yeah. So I think one of my family members is having a wedding August 14th, and that's when she's gonna bring it in. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.